Let's talk about extinct species. Not dinosaurs, not even the dodo. I'm talking about careers, jobs that will quietly go extinct while we are scrolling through our reels. You've probably heard about AI takeover stories like robots taking jobs, automation replacing humans, everyone panicking. But hold up. This isn't the first time that the job market has faced massive disruption. Think about the Industrial Revolution in the 1600s, or most recently, the Internet Revolution. They've all disrupted job markets in the past, and today AI is going to do the same, with roles such as office support, customer service, food service being particularly susceptible. Hey, but hold up, is this only base level jobs? But here's what Deloitte says. Their recent publication says that about 90% of jobs might be replaced by AI by 2030. Now, why is this? If you actually think about it, AI is good at repetitive tasks that do not require deep knowledge, experience, or skill set, which means that entry-level or low-skill jobs, which make the bulk of jobs across all industries, will be fully or partly automated by AI. For example, in the IT industry, entry-level roles in programming, tech support, data engineering, testing, analytics, etc., will be impacted by automation, with more work being done by fewer employees. Another example industry is sales and marketing, which in fact have historically been human skills driven. As companies have started spending most of their budgets on digital or social media platforms, basic activities such as graphic design, blogging, video generation, targeted ads, etc. have been already being accomplished by advanced AI tools. If you take the accounting and finance industry, from basic bookkeeping activities to analyzing market trends and giving financial advice, AI is already playing a significant role, replacing human work hours. And there are many other industries like healthcare, manufacturing, law, design, etc., where entry-level jobs will be impacted by AI. To be honest, my heart goes out to all the fresh graduates who are entering the job market because of A, more and more people are entering job market because of rising population. B, companies are using AI to automate entry-level jobs and cut their costs. Sounds intense, right? But don't panic. This is a normal part of the process where jobs evolve, industries shift, and new opportunities emerge. It's happened before and it's happening again. The key is to stay ahead of the curve. Always remember that people with deep and specialized skills with strong fundamentals can never be replaced. Now let's look at some careers and job roles that will be in demand. Be it developing computer chips that run AI, applications that use AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, data center management, ethical AI governance, etc. All these fields will see a surge in job roles because the goal of industry and government across the world is not just to deploy AI, but do so ethically without compromising on safety and security of the users. So there's a lot of opportunity. Guess what? AI, or high performance computing, requires almost triple or more times the energy than the regular computing requires. And with the advent of electric mobility, autonomous vehicles, etc., the overall demand of electricity is going to skyrocket in the coming decade. And the intersection of AI and climate change will be a good space to develop your niche skills. Be it sustainable engineering, environmental sciences, sustainable economics and finance, public policy, etc. AI can give generic designs and ideas, but it cannot give those out-of-the-box ideas that make you stand out or solve pressing problems. It can never replace careers with design thinking skills such as product design, UI UX design, branding, storytelling, digital media strategy, architecture, etc., which will all be in high demand globally. But remember, in the creative fields, you should use your expertise, but at the same time be able to use AI to augment your work. AI lacks empathy, cultural intelligence, and leadership skills. You can consider careers in human resource management, mental health counseling, teaching and mentoring, healthcare careers like doctors, nurses, paramedics, etc. Or leadership roles such as project or product managers, or even entrepreneurs, which all require strong critical thinking skills and cultural and social awareness, skills that can never be replaced by AI. AI can analyze trends, but understanding cultural nuances, collective identity, global, consumer behavior is something only humans can do. There will always be a high demand for original work because in a sea of AI-generated content, original work will always stand out. A degree in marketing or communications can prepare you for high-paying and in-demand roles. Always remember the good old theory of evolution. The species that will adapt and evolve to external threats are the species which will survive. And we humans are the masters of the art of survival. So let's put the best of our abilities and not let AI threaten our livelihoods. So if you need any career guidance or mentorship, reach out to me. See you in the next video.